If you're looking for a practical, user-friendly approach to design asynchronous e-learning or independent, self-paced learning, we've got the workshop for you. Instructional design for e-learning is based on Langevin's tried and true design process. In just 3 sessions, you'll get the knowledge and skill you need to design asynchronous e-learning that's both instructionally and graphically effective. We'll focus on 4 key areas in this workshop: planning your e-learning design project, structuring the course or determining the sequence of your content, and then selecting and designing your methods, media, and tools. We'll even show you some examples to illustrate what it all looks like when it comes together. Best of all, you'll walk away with some valuable e-learning design templates to help you stay organized and efficient with your time. If designing e-learning is on your to-do list anytime soon, Instructional Design for e-learning is the workshop for you.